Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have dates and terms. Start by converting the range to a table so formulas autofill. Next, create a helper column labeled term if you need 30, 90, or 1-year values. Use integers for days or months. This avoids text parsing. Once done, add a second helper column for the expiry calculation. You'll reference the published date cell and the term cell directly, which keeps everything dynamic and ready for the next calculation steps. No manual copying required. Now compute the expiry using the right function. If your term is in months, use ed8, start date months because it handles month ends correctly. If in days, add the integer directly, start plus days. Make sure to wrap with IFR to catch invalid dates and use MAX, start, expiry, only if you need to prevent earlier dates. Once configured, fill or let the table auto-extend so new rows calculate automatically. This ensures consistent behavior across leap years and month-length variations. Finish by formatting the expiry column as a date and applying conditional formatting to highlight expired items. Use rules like expiry less or equal today for red flags. Once complete, add a simple alert column with IF expiry less or equal today. Expired, OK to filter quickly. If things go wrong, check for text dates, mismatched regional settings, or hidden time portions. Convert text with date value or text to columns. One troubleshooting tip. If results look off, verify the original date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.